P.
P.
Tumi Kemon. Apakah kamu siswa? Zon. Sikate.
College or university student?
University. Foto.
Koto. Right.
Berapa saudara jumlah Jambi? Ini summer. Terima kasih.
Okay. Hello. Where are you from?
Hello.
Where are you from?
I'm from Indonesia.
Indonesia. Okay, just I am from Bangladesh. I am talking to you from Bangladesh. Okay, just already I have followed you. Just I am interested to learn your Indonesian language because I am to Muslim. Are you Muslim? Sure. Are you Muslim?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. Just
I'm Muslim.
I am going to learn from you Indonesian language. Just please help me. How are you means how are you according to your Indonesian language. Please. Just I am going to learn. Yeah. Yeah. What?
Apa kabar?
Ma
Apa
pap
kabar?
papa papa
Apa?
papa. Please wait.
Apa?
Papa.
A.
A
B.
P
P.
P
A. B.
B
B.
B
A.
A
A.
A
K.
K K
A. A.
A
A. R. Apa kabar?
Okay, just how are you? And this is our Bengali language, Bangla language. How are you means তুমি কেমন আছো? তুমি কেমন আছো? This is
Tumi Kemon.
আছো. Just it is simple. তুমি কেমন আছো? Okay. Just
Tumi Kemon.
aso. Just another sentence. Just how do you patch your every single day? How do you patch your every single day? What is the Indonesian language according to your mother tongue? How do you patch your every single day?
Oh ya, udah pas. Berapa lama? Berapa lama single? Maybe. Past or part?
Patch. Spend.
Past or part?
Spend. How do you spend your every single day?
Single day.
Okay. Just I am.
Minute.
I am yes. I am going to inform you. How do you pass or how do you spend your every single day means according to our Bengali language তুমি দৈনিক কিভাবে অতিবাহিত করো? তুমি দিনটি কিভাবে অতিবাহিত করো? Okay? Just simple sentence.
What's
তুমি প্রতিদিন কিভাবে অতিবাহিত করো?
even hiccup?
Yeah. তুমি প্রতিদিন কিভাবে অতিবাহিত করো? Yeah. Are you student?
Hikabe?
Just are you a student?
Yeah,
Are you
a
a student? Student.
Yeah.
This sentence, how do you translate into Indonesian language? Are you a student means your mother tongue.
Apa kamu siswa?
Oh.
Apakah kamu siswa?
Apakah
Kamu?
kamu
Ya. Siswa?
this is okay.
Siswa.
Just are you student means according to our Bengali language তুমি কি একজন শিক্ষার্থী? তুমি কি একজন শিক্ষার্থী? তুমি কি একজন শিক্ষার্থী? Okay, just I am asking last question. Last question.
একজন শিক্ষার্থী
শিক্ষার্থী, yeah, of course. Just are you college or university student? College or university student? College?
Yeah.
University? University?
Yes, university.
Okay, just what is the name of your university? Please inform me. University name?
Islamic Islam University Sultan Taha Spring Jambi in Indonesia.
Oh, okay. Islamic
Islamic
City?
University Indonesia.
Indonesia. Oh, okay. Which subject do you study in? Which subject? Your major subject? University? Do you study?
University, my subject is accounting.
Accounting. Yeah. Accounting is a subject. This subject is available in our country, Bangladesh. Same subject. But my subject, already I have completed MSc degree in social work. Social work means সমাজকর্ম. According to Bengali language, social work means সমাজকর্ম. Okay?
Means
সমাজকর্ম. Yeah, of course. And
formal.
yeah, just are you first or second year student? Second or first year student? Who is year? First year student.
Oh,
First year.
I'm still first year.
First year student. Okay. Just we are going to learn all together both. How old are you? How old are you means I am 30 years old.
Indonesian language.
Indonesian language, yeah.
Oh, Indonesian language. Berapa?
Merapa.
Berapa? Berapa? B.
Merapa.
B. That's B.
Merapa be.
Berapa? Not M, but B.
B.
Berapa?
Please slowly. Pronounce slowly. Okay. Just how are you, girl?
Berapa?
Okay. Just this another sentence we are going to learn. How old are you means তোমার বয়স কত? According to Bengali language, তোমার বয়স কত? তোমার বয়স
Boys.
কত?
Boys. Foto.
কত? Right. And we are going to discuss another sentence. How many brothers do you have? Actually, how many brothers do you have?
Oh.
According to your Indonesian language.
Indonesian language. Berapa jumlah? Berapa
Merapa
jumlah? Berapa jumlah
oh
saudara?
Merapa
Laki.
oh okay.
Saudara laki.
Okay, just according to our Bengali language, তোমার কতজন ভাই আছে? তোমার কতজন ভাই আছে?
তোমার কতজন
ভাই আছে? আছে
আছে?
হ্যাঁ, yeah, just
তোমার কত-
we should talk to slowly, slow motion, so that we can learn so much. Slowly. Okay.
Okay.
Basically, I am a private teacher, English teacher. I teach English and mathematics all together. I teach my students basically, and 20 years experience.
Oh.
I have 20 years experience. That is why I am discussing with you about this matter. Okay. Just Indonesia. This is your country, Indonesia. Do you live in?
Yeah.
Do you live in capital city Jakarta. Jakarta. Do you live in?
No.
Where?
No. Jambi.
Jammi.
Jambi.
Jammi. Please wait.
Yeah.
Jammi, na? Jammi. Okay. Just I think that your country there are many islands. There are many islands, little islands. Your country. Okay.
No. We have Iceland.
Iceland. Yeah. A little. Oh, a lot of islands actually. And natural disaster. Any natural disaster may be attack anytime, all the time. In your country, rainy season. Maybe rainy season in your country all the year round.
No, it's not. And now
Oh.
it's not rain. In a summer.
Summer season in your country right at this moment. Summer season.
Summer season.
Okay, just we'll meet next week and we will discuss different kinds of topics next week. Every single day I come in this platform. Every single day I come in this platform. Every day in this just at this time. Yeah, of course. Okay, we will meet another topic, your culture and our culture. Okay, do you know?
Okay.
Culture, সংস্কৃতি. Bengali means Bengali language, সংস্কৃতি. Okay, bye bye. Thank you.
Oh.
Next time. Allah Hafiz.
Terima kasih.
Okay.